get up on your feet. What you need to do is catch up with them. Bounce, man, get up on your feet and help me get it.
She first appeared on Play School more than 40 years ago, but presenter Floella Benjamin doesn't appear to have aged a day since her children's TV debut. The 68-year-old was praised as immortal and ageless by nostalgic parents as she read on CBeebies Bedtime stories on Wednesday night. The parents, many of whom watched Floella growing up, took to Twitter in their dozens to say how watching her had brought them back to their own childhoods. One posted, "Floella Benjamin was on Play School when I was a tot, she's still doing kids telly now. Woman's immortal." Another tweeted, "I was watching you 30 years ago, and you don't look a day older." The pioneering presenter, who became Baroness Benjamin of Beckenham in 2010, appeared on the show to read Hiding Heidi, a book about a little girl who's great at hide-and-seek. Floella looked youthful in skin-tight trousers, metallic silver flats and a peasant-style top for her latest TV role. The children's program has become popular with parents with its celebrity readers, who have notably included Tom Hardy and Dolly Parton. But Floella might be the most popular of all, sparking dozens of comments on Twitter. Born in Trinidad, Baroness Benjamin's family emigrated to the UK when she was 10. She shot to fame presenting TV's Play School and Play Away and set up her own TV production company in the 80s. Lady Benjamin, a mother of two, has spent decades campaigning on a variety of children's issues.